Matt, you consider a situation that you're just hired as a CMO of a startup and you're tasked with, okay, AI-driven GTM strategy for that. How will you start the process? Which will be your tools that you go, which will be KPIs that you'll start tracking and monitoring? And how do you build the entire engine?
I would start by identifying like opportunities where AI can play a role. Like it's not about automating everything and all at once, but I think like it's like I would start understanding, digging deep into our workflows across the company and understand, okay, what are the most time consuming, low touch and repetitive tasks that our teams are carrying out. Try to see if there is like an AI that can streamline or tighten this process or make this process more efficient, right? So, for example, we have a bunch of like SDRs that are manually building lists of prospects and manually going on LinkedIn or on specific websites to gather email, phone number information, like their job titles and everything, right? So people are spending like one person is spending 2 to 3 hours to come up with like a specific output. How can we use instead AI data enrichment, for example, or waterfall enrichment and this personalization to make this process better and more efficient, right? Then, armed with this prioritized list, I will create, like a game plan, again, outlining these use cases, the tools to consider, and obviously like some owners and timelines to implement, right? And I would like specifically focus initially on leading indicators as KPIs. It's also like a tighter feedback loop because it can tell you I was spending 10 hours to do X. Now I'm spending 2 hours to do X plus Y. And Y is also like the output delta. So you have like two key measures, right? You have like the input delta, which is AI is helping me streamline the process and get to output faster. And then you have the output delta, which is with AI, this is how much I can also, how much more I can produce, right? And I think like this is where I would focus on measuring success in the beginning. While developing this plan, I would also like make sure to include these guardrails of human in the loop and human reviews at key stages of each workflows. Again, like